Welcome back. We continue 850 refreshment. Okay, I'm taking off Sump, see what's inside, and reseal all the gaskets and seals and everything we got new. The heads there, refreshed. Basically, we start cleaning and assembling. Let's compare. 30 years old. Have a look. Come. 12 years old. No, that's the owner. That's the owner of the car. At that time, they were paper gaskets, and it's still better. Okay.
This is a type of crankshaft that you don't see nowadays, because this one has counterweights. For every cylinder pair, it has counterweight.
We're going to open and see the chain. It's got two crankshaft position sensors. 1 and 2. You know why? Because it's got two ECUs. Yeah, man. That's what we call a chain. A little snap ring. Here. Here as well. This little snap ring holds the chain, no problem. Here, oh, sprockets. Not worn at all. Nothing. Guides, like new. And it's plastic. People crying that now it's plastic. This still as well plastic. Nice little chain. And it's not duplex. Single chain. Just solid. Just solid quality. Look how clean is the pickup. EcoBoost 50,000 finished. That was the technology. It's removable. Maybe got gasket behind. We'll check. Head gaskets. Seals front, rear, cam seals. Rocker cover gaskets. Valve stem seals. Many O-rings. Some gaskets on top. Exhaust. Now this is the sump. This is the upper sump. Throttle bodies. This one is in the back. Here. With this flange. Fuck me, man. So we having here and here. It's them. And we must have two of them, yeah? For me, just interesting this flange. We must have the as well same behind it. Possibly. No. It's too big. Looks like it's too big. Yeah. We got that gasket, so no problem. Look at them gaskets. We couldn't leave it. It would be very unfair for the customer to leave this. First surface of the engine is clean. Now we need to clean this cover. Stay. 10 Newton meters. 10 mil socket, 10 Newton meter. I think next is this one, yeah? But we do it later when we fit the chain. Yeah, a little help from Mercedes Automotive, because BM is always leaking. $12 newtons. Let's get ready for heads. We clean the surface. Change this gasket in the wally. Just didn't show, but nothing special. Next we clean the threads. We don't want any hydro wax. You see? If you leave little bit water or something in the thread hole, block will crack when you tighten the bolt. Now new dowel pins. That's it. Where is the fucking head gasket? Yes. Pre-lubing them. One drop. Enough. Where the washer stay. Yeah. You're good to go. Now let's see how much Newton meters. We got torque pattern, tightening torques. Let's go. Okay, one head is done. Later the next one. Clean this. Ready to fit, but we're not fitting now. We fit later, we just prepare parts. Next, lifters and rocker arms. I like use needle. I'm not using vise. Brake cleaner. Okay, we're doing like this. Wait. These motherfuckers don't have a hole. So how the fuck you bleed them? Kurwa, I need to go on a vise. Because they need to be spongy. Before fitting, need to be like that, spongy. 12 cylinders, 24 lifters. 2 per cylinder. New BMW. From F series, F10 and up. Old one. And it's not because V12, it's because it's old and gold. Fitting in the head. Rocker arm. It's a different type, it's without the shitty bearing. It's solid. It stays like this. That's it. And on top is camshaft. And you see the valves. I don't know if you can see. It's 2 springs. It's got one inside smaller and outside bigger. Double spring. It's ready for camshaft now. Now we need those caps. Bam, 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 tighten it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, we got all the marks. So we stay like this. You see, we got special nuts for caps. So the washer is built in. And now we check torque settings. 15 newtons. Ready for the next side? Just to remind, I never work on this engine and I'm very interested to start it. Working well. Squirt. I think Next one in action. Let's see what you got. We're not fitting now, just we put in position. Where is the marking? Must align here with OT. See, now I need to turn the crankshaft. So now our crankshaft is staying where it should be. This definitely now it's time for it. Here it's clean everything. So now we need gaskets like this. Yeah. 10 newtons. Chain to fit. Like this. I need to remember now which goes where. Yes, like this I think. No, this fucker has to go here. Last one left. Now we know the crank is in position, yeah? And now we will start to play with the camshafts. We might need to rotate them. They have to align this hole and this hole like this. Yep. Perfectly aligned. Turn the engine. We need to check the OT mark now. Huh? See? Done by hand and it's perfect. Bolts sitting well. I need something, yeah, to make them perfectly aligned. This one I think has to go back a little bit. Kurva looks like. So it's fine, they align.
Yeah. I think you have to measure this difference. This gap here
Yeah,
is A,
yeah.
and then you push that against that, and that's B. And then you have to subtract B from A.
Okay.
The max distance should be 5 mil.
29. 24. So it's fine, in 5 mil.
Yeah, so 5 mil.
Okay, now the actual cams. You can tie them. I think what we do now, put the cover, temporary 2 bolts, put the pulley and turn the engine to see. On one turn, now second. Should be perfectly straight.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Next, to fit this one. Now. Cover is ready. Apply some sealant here. We apply sealant because the surface is corroded, very corroded. Very slightly layer, small layer. This method is tested and it works. Aircon bracket. Kurva, nice and shiny. Aircon. maybe install the front main seal. Alternator fitted. I think time for exhaust now, manifolds. Yeah, they stay like this, eh? Yeah, gaskets.
That's way too loud.
Let's go play. Water pump and thermostat.
Picking his new one.